Epic.
Epic.
Only $10. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know why I'm walking like this. Today we're going to town to do some shopping. I don't know, I'm just vlogging. What if something happens? It's like stormy again. But yeah.
I always forget what I get here.
It has the good ice. Grrr. Grrr. Yeah, they were both in handcuffs.
But you said you wanted a little building on the side?
Mom!
So for the building, you might want something a little thicker.
Mom! It's a 2007. It's a sick montage. Mom, we should play the smallest game. Yeah.
That's crazy. Those are tiny. Would you get that out of my face?
It's like a...
Okay, welcome. Today we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10. Oh, someone's watching us. I don't care. Okay, they have this pulley tab. It's cold. Ow! Got blinded. Okay, we have this nice stuff. Ooh, that color. Back to this wonderful unboxing. This color is crazy. It's trippy. And it feels better than the iPhone 10. Verizon.